好，我是Linguoer。
Linguoer, machinic goddess, who becomes popular recently on YouTube, is a girl who every guy on the internet wants to give her a thumbs up. She do everything with her own hands, including rotating nuts, removing covers, cleaning oil, manual winding, sandblasting, reassembling. The netizens also give her a title: a heavy industrial version of Liziki. We all know that Liziki can sew everything that she want to eat, and Linguoer can make everything that she need. All will be created by her own hands, something that many men can't fix. But Linguoer can do them. She is a real machinic goddess. No matter it's a 1970s diesel engine or a 20-year-old generator, she can restore them perfectly. Refit 3-phase pump to single pump. Refit power generators to hydroelectric generators. Even the dilapidated electric bike, it will become new through her. She disassembles all the equipment parts step by step, cleans them and removes rust, and paints them with her favorite color. Totally repairs them. She is not only a skilled craftswoman, but also stronger when she's working. She can easily drive the tractor. Even the hundreds of pounds of generators, she can easily handle. And she is extraordinarily warm-hearted. She often helps elderly, neighbors, fans fix washing machines, electric cars and generators, etc. Except for restoration, she is also able to build houses, harvest honey, cook rice dumplings, and harvest bamboo shoots on the high mountain. She is an omnipotent goddess. Linguoer has qualities of strength and work-harding when she was younger. Because of lacking of money, she earned all living expenses from high school to college by herself and her brother. And she applied for 4 years of student loans during university studying. After graduation, she started her YouTube life accidentally. She could only make videos, but couldn't make money through the video. With the increasing cost of making videos, she had to give up under the heavy pressure. But she never wanted to admit defeat. She re-registered her account after 2019, started to schedule her career gradually, posted the first video about electromechanical maintenance in 2021. Sweet appearance, hardcore craftsmanship, making her become mechanical and electrical maintenance expert, and the heavy industrial version of Liziki. Nowadays Linguoer is become more and more popular on YouTube. But she is also attacked by many people who questioned her. She just says calmly, "Don't be discouraged when life is short and down. Just hold on. Every step you keep going will become a surprise in the future. Every experience in life is useful, and every step is crucial." As a YouTuber, I'm honored to follow such a wonderful girl. You can get the beauty of labor, boldness, craftsmanship, and courage from this girl. She is great. I have to say that her fans have a sharp eyes to witness her grown. Hope the harder she works, the better she gets. And hope she can get more attention and loves.